Excel can be a very valuable tool for planning and haulage, but what if there was a method that incorporated all of the best of Excel, as well as the additional functionality tailored to road hauliers' needs and processes? Mandata TMS is a transport management system that supports hundreds of hauliers across the UK and Ireland, many of whom have made the transition from Excel to a TMS and never looked back. In this product video, I'm going to show you how easy the transition from Excel to a TMS really is. I'll be showing you how a TMS can help evolve your planning processes through easy job creation and planning, viewing vehicle capacities, reducing empty miles, and job progress visibility. With Mandata TMS, all customer data is centralized in one place, meaning staff don't have to rekey in the same data multiple times. Planners can create jobs themselves or import them via CSV. For any repetitive jobs you do for customers, templates can be set up in the system, allowing planners to schedule multiple jobs a week or even months in advance, saving huge amounts of time and reducing duplication. Once jobs are created, the system's drag and drop functionality allows jobs to be assigned to drivers and vehicles with ease. If staff prefer the familiarity of Excel, this view can also be achieved with jobs being assigned via right-click functionality. Setting up vehicle capacities allows hauliers to visualize the space that is left on a vehicle, or if it is already over capacity, thereby ensuring planners are making the most out of every mile driven on the road. Planners can also use the map-based planning functionality as another alternative to creating a plan. This helps them visualize on the map the most efficient route sequence to plan. The system will also calculate where empty miles will occur on a route. With job orders chosen correctly, empty miles can be kept to a minimum, meaning you can create the most profitable plan possible. When combined with our Driver's Manifest app, hauliers can have total job progress visibility. Drivers simply update the job progress on the app and it will seamlessly synchronize with the TMS in real time. ETAs can also be generated and viewed by customers, keeping them informed and eliminating the need for back and forth conversation. This is just a small selection of features that Mandata provides within their TMS and integrated apps. So, while an Excel spreadsheet is a great tool for planning and haulage, a TMS can take it to the next level, providing users with all the ease and usability of Excel spreadsheets, yet enhanced with a host of best practice features to deliver the perfect solution for today's high-performing hauliers. So, why not compare our software with the way you currently work by speaking to a member of our product specialist team who will be able to answer any questions you may have about the TMS. Thanks for watching.